my channel, and now the festival spree starts. I'm going to be showing you a very simple Diwali makeup look right here, right now, like this. I want you to do something where I'm glowing, I'm looking fresh, at the same time my eyes is a little bold, my lips are a little bold. Practically, I'm looking upbeat. If you like this video, guys, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a video. Without wasting any further time, you guys, let's get started. So guys, we're gonna start out with the base now. We're gonna be using the Pore Freshener by Benefit, and I don't use this a lot, but today I thought let's just use this. I'm just gonna dab this wherever my pores are because I want the skin to look like really flawless. I'm also gonna go with some illuminator today, and this is by Miss Claire called Sunbeam. I'm taking a very tiny bit of it and just sort of use this on the highest points of my face just to get a nice glow. This is sort of a creme illuminator. Just gives a very nice sheen to the skin. I'm using a medium coverage foundation. You can take any foundation that you have, and I'm just gonna start blending this using my beauty blender. Taking my LA Girl concealer in the shade medium beige. Now I'm gonna take this powder by Krylon. This is called the Cake Makeup, and I'm just gonna swirl this across my brush, and I'm gonna apply this all over my face. I'm gonna set my face with this, and I'm now gonna go with a lighter shade of a powder, and this is by Wet n Wild. This is a lighter shade, and I'm just gonna set my under eye with this right where I've applied the concealer, and I'm just gonna set this like super soft. Now we're gonna leave the face to set for a while, and I'm gonna jump to the eyes. Just apply some concealer on your eyelid. Make sure you blended it, spread evenly across the eyelid. You can go with any palette that you have. Now the palette that I'm using today is the Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm gonna take my shader brush. This is by My Glam. I'm gonna take a very nice brown color, probably this one. So dust off the excess and start with just pushing it right at the outer corner of the eye. Now, like I said, we're just going to be using 4 eyeshadows to sort of get this look. So just make sure that you have placed it nicely only at the outer corner of your eye, like the way I've done it here. And now with any light shade available in the palette, brown tone, just take some on your brush and start blending it like very gently. Now from the same palette, I'm going to dip in some black, and I'm going to pack that right at the outer corner where exactly we've used the first shade. Now this is just to bring a little more depth and make the darker eyeshadow just pop out a little more. And then I'm softly going to blend this with a lighter brown eyeshadow. Using a larger shader brush, just spray some setting spray on that. And I'm taking this shade out here and just pack that right at the inner corner of my eye. See, it looks so pretty already, and it's so simple. Once you've done that, now you definitely do not want this line to be like so obvious and harsh. So we're gonna go back with the previous shades again, the darker shades again, and just pack them right where the transition starts so that everything looks really blended and it's like they're just hugging each other. Once your both eyes are done, guys, we are now going to take some eyeliner, and this is by NYX, and I'm just going to make a nice winged eyeliner. Now I'm going to go back with some gel eyeliner, and I'm going to apply that right on the lower lash line. Now this is optional. If you do not want to do it, don't do it, but I want my eyes to be like super smoky. I'm going to use a pencil brush, and I'm just going to smoke this out. I'm going to blend it using the brown shades that we've used. We're going to now start with contouring our face. I'm going to use the NYX palette, and I'm going to take a nice contour shade and use this right across my cheek. I'm gonna start a little higher, just across my forehead. For my blush, I'm gonna go with Gingerly, and this is by MAC. And I'm gonna take a very tiny bit of this and just softly dab it. My highlighter, I'm gonna go with the Maybelline Molten Gold, but before that I'm just gonna spray my brush with some setting spray and take this right on my brush, and here we go guys, and apply it right at the highest point of my face like so. Just blend this really nice. For my lips guys, I'm gonna go with something really maroon sort of. I'm just gonna put on my lashes and I will be back. Guys, I have put on my lashes, my mascara and my setting spray, and this is the final look you guys. You guys could play a lot around with the eye makeup. You can just put a shimmer and a classic eyeliner, or do some smoky eye with some good eyeliner. Choose your pick. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, Happy Diwali!